Hey, I'm Chaz with Nashville Pop, and today we're diving into booking gigs, what's an EPK, and how you can start to make one of your own. So when it comes to booking gigs in an EPK, there's two categories I like to use: artist gigs and entertainment gigs. Artist gigs are the typical thing that everybody wants. It's the original performances at music venues, festivals, house concerts. It's where you're the star, you're the artist, and you're telling your story. Entertainment gigs are more about cover performances with a dash of the artist's life in it. So you may play a few original songs, but ultimately you're crafting a vibe, you're crafting the atmosphere, and playing familiar tunes for the audience to enjoy. Now, entertainment gigs could be anything from weddings, engagements, corporate functions, mixers, to even private events like graduation parties, retirement parties, birthday parties, family gatherings. The list goes on. The best way about booking these gigs, whether it be the artist side or the entertainment side, is to have an electronic press kit, otherwise known as an EPK. An EPK is just a quick way to tell your story and showcase your talents as an artist and a musician, as well as some live footage. Now, I like to break the press kit down into 6 categories. And each of these categories can kind of change whether you're going for the artist EPK or the entertainment EPK. And you'll see that as we start to get into it. So parts 1, 2, and 3 are very simple. It's who are you, where you're from, and what's your style and genre. So for me, a really quick one would be, hi, my name is Chaz Mazzota, and I'm an indie pop artist based in Nashville, Tennessee. Now you can dive a little deeper into your style and genre, but that's just a quick example. Part 4 are your accolades. Accolades could be as simple as who you've worked with before, who's involved on your projects, how many monthly listeners you have. Do you have any awards or major successes? Have you played any festivals? What's the largest audience size that you've performed for? Basically, anything you think that adds to the allure of you as an artist are considered artist accolades and can help boost your stats for booking that gig. Part 5 is what's coming next. When you're talking about what's next, it's very simple. Do you have any shows coming up? Do you have any releases coming up? What can they expect from you as the artist in the future? So the last section is the most important. It's actually the pitch, and it answers why this person is watching your video and what they're gonna get when they book you. You can also break it down into 3 main questions. Why are you telling them all this? How are you gonna fix their problem? And how can they get involved? Now, the thing about EPKs is that there's no right or wrong way to make one. It's just about showcasing yourself. The biggest part about booking gigs is to show that you have something available, that you're available to book gigs, that this is something that you do. The key is to make yourself presentable and make it known that you're out there. Your EPK should be available on your website, and it should also be, if possible, available on a quick one-sheet PDF that you can send out in an email. When it comes to getting the leads for your gigs, there's a lot of different ways you can do it. I personally use some online services such as The Bash, where you can actually sign up, make an account, make a profile, put in all your information, and they'll send you monthly auto leads. From there, all you do is bid out, and if you book the gig, you book the gig. If you'd like to sign up and try it out, you can check out my referral code below. So overall, when it comes to booking gigs, the key is to have a great EPK. Something that when you send it out, they're looking at it and they're watching it and they say, wow, I love this person. I have to have this person for my event. I created these 6 categories for the EPK based off of my experience working with clients one-on-one and my experience as a musician performing and booking these gigs. If you have any other questions about EPKs, booking gigs, or what the next steps are, message us at Nashville Pop and we'll try to get more resources to you.